Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our second chapter inside our earth. Dear students, you know it very well that the earth on which we live is the only planet where life is possible. And this planet is never static, rather, this is a dynamic planet because changes always occur on the earth surface as well as its inside, or you can say it undergoes changes inside as well as outside. Okay, now interior of the earth. Dear students, as we see earth from its topmost layer, it seems that it's flat. You know it very well that it's not flat. It's round, almost round in the shape, and the interior of the earth is too hot to enter. It is not as cold as we find on the top of the soil, the top of the earth, that is earth crust. Rather, it's very hot inside, and this earth is not a single ball of the soil or the rock material. Rather, it is made up of different or several concentric layers with one inside the another. It's like different layers of the onion. प्याज देखा ना आपने? Yes, it's like different layers of the onion. So the uppermost layer or the earth surface is called the crust. This one is called the crust, earth crust, the topmost layer of the earth. And this is the thinnest of all the layers. This is thinnest of all the layers. Number one, crust. Okay, so this is thinnest of the layers, and roughly it is of 35 kilometer of thickness on the, you can say, crust, that is a continental crust. And around 5 kilometer of thickness at the oceanic crust. I hope you have gone through the chapter that I shared with you through PDF file in the morning or in the okay. And you if you remember, you see this page you might have gone through. This is page 1 of your chapter. See over here. This is the earth crust, which is also called lithosphere, the outermost layer of the earth. Okay. And this is around 35 kilometer on the continental masses and only 5 kilometer on the oceanic crust, as oceanic crust or on the oceanic or on the ocean floors. Okay, so this crust is very important for our life, because whatever we do or whatever activities we do, be it living, be it making roads or doing agriculture, making different buildings, everything is done on this layer. That's why for our human survival, earth crust is most important layer of the earth. Okay, dear students, and the main mineral constituent of the continental mass are simply silica, is a very light material, and alumina. Two important elements are found on the earth crust. It's silica as well as alumina, and you can combinedly call it Si from silica plus Al from alumina, that is Cl. Okay, so you can call it Cl as well. second important layer of the earth crust is mantle. Mantle, this one, second layer, give me the pencil. Mantle. This is second important layer. This layer is neither liquid nor solid. ना तो ये solid है ना ये liquid है, and the temperature is comparatively higher in mantle because of high temperature as well as high pressure of overlying material. High pressure and high temperature because of overlying material. Overlying means उसके ऊपर की जो क्रस्ट है, उस क्रस्ट का जो वेट उसके ऊपर आता है, that is overlying material. Okay, and this mantle is made up of silica and magnesium. Again, it can also be called SiMa, Si plus Ma, that is SiMa. Okay, dear students, I hope the things are clear to you. Okay, just beneath this mantle is the core. The core, which is completely in liquid form, and it's very hot, very high temperature. Okay, and it just beneath this mantle, it extends up to 2900 kilometer. ठीक है, ये 2900 किलोमीटर तक है this mantle, and beyond this mantle up to 6371 kilometer. I hope you remember the radius of the earth is 6371 kilometers. Okay, so this is up to 2900 kilometer, this is up to 35 kilometer, and beyond this it is up to 6371 kilometer. Okay, these are three different layers of the earth. Okay, आगे चलें. Yes. The innermost layer is the core with the radius of almost, now simply 6371 minus 2900, it is roughly 3500 kilometer of radius. Means the radius of this core, the radius of this core is around 3500 kilometers. Okay, and this core is made up of nickel and ferrous. Nickel and ferrous. Again, this can also be called a nickname is Ni plus Fe, that is a Nife. Okay, Nife means nickel and ferrous. So I repeat, crust is made up of crust which lies up to 35 km on the continental crust and 5 km on the oceanic crust or at the oceanic floor. Oceanic crust as well as floor can also be used here, and continental floor. Okay, and it is made up of silica and aluminium. It is usually called Sial. Second is mantle, silica and magnesium, Si plus Ma, it may be called SiMa. And third one is core, nickel and ferrous, that is Ni plus Fe, Nife or Nife. Okay, so these are three different layers of the earth. Dear students, let me make you one thing clear, that this earth that seems to be so cool out from outside, it is as hot, or it is hot like you can say like the snacks you eat, samosa, or the potato you boil, which seems to be colder from outside, but it is too hot in the inside. Or it can be compared with the pressure cooker. Lot of pressure is there in the inside the pressure cooker, but from outside it doesn't seem so. So same is case with the same is condition of the earth. Okay.